Man, that was so easy. Jack, tell Young to hit it harder.
It's only one man.
Right there!
No. Let me do the bit. That's what we say. Let me do the bit.
Done. Over there. Come on, guys.
You should have watched the line, Jai.
Around, man.
Yeah, you want some? Kimmy made it. Yeah, Ron did some. Kimmy made it.
I can't.
Go. Kill it. Good serve.
Come on, don't lose those serves.
Well, wasn't it good? I thought King was a bench player, man. Let's go, Jackie.
Back row, you don't have to line up.
Ooh, right there! Finally hit hard.
Too young, man. You'll always be young.
Dude, that was a freaking good ass hit right there. He just went like this. He just like that.
Man.
Come on, man. They just going on now.
I don't know, she's
Oh yeah, who killed the bird? Yeah, I'm too cool. You need sunblock.
Yes, sir. Shy 1-on-1.
Dong should have went up.
Who hit the bird, huh?
Nobody hit the bird. Oh, Dragon, Team Dragon, they almost hit the bird.
Use it!
Come on! Yeah! Steven!
Go, Steven.
Come on, guys.
Dude, the net is so low.
Oh. They don't block, anybody can do it.
And he got heck of hang time, dude. He's just like, boom.
There you go.
Hey, Kane got a block. Gotta block again.
Come on. Get it, wait for the neck.
Recording.
People come with me. I'm not getting your video. Sorry, I don't want to give everyone a picture of you. That's nice.
Dude, Young Chuck hella high. He's like,
Well, little guy, he's on that car.
係喺對面嗰雙嘢喺度啊！
到時喺我卡頭收埋。
Yeah, number 4.
dude, number 4 is so skinny, dude. It's Tony. That's his name. Hey, free ball! Let's go, Tony. Come on, Garmin. That's what they came called. The little guy with the pink hat. Yeah, we call him Sherman.
Because whenever he fails at catching the ball, his face gets funny.
He faked him out. He was like, boom.
Or you could throw this piece away too. Go, can you go pick up that and give it to the gentleman? We don't need that.
Give this to them.
Do you mind if I get a trash bag so you wouldn't have to do that much?
That would be awesome.
Okay, grab me several and I'll just set them around my toothpaste.
Come on, Young, hit it harder.
Appreciate it, man.
Thank you.
I'll come back later.
Yeah. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Come on.
Come on, boys. Come on, Team Cali, finish this.
Come on, dude, this is
What is
easy.
that, 11-14? Come on, Team Cali. Yeah!
What?
What are you doing?
He stepped on it.
He stepped on line. Bad ref.
That's what I thought.
Y'all fucking lose. Come on, dude. Bring 3 balls.
Come on, Team Cali! Come on, Team Cali!
Yeah, set it higher, man.
Just play the game. It's okay. Come on, it's a vicious game.
Come on, you guys need to finish it.
Come on, Chi, let's finish this!
It's easy.
Nào cho gặp lên báo lên luôn nè.
Come on, try.
Come on, you guys.
Come on, Team Cali, no third game!
Don't do
No third
that.
game!
Come on.
Wait, Ma, should I record it or not?
No problem.